The Tesla Cybertruck, a vehicle that once seemed destined to redefine the pickup truck market, has hit a major roadblock. Tesla, the innovative electric vehicle manufacturer, has made the difficult decision to put Cybertruck production on hold. This unexpected move has sent shockwaves through the automotive industry, leaving many to wonder what this means for Tesla's future. The Cybertruck, first unveiled in 2019, was met with a mixture of excitement and skepticism. Its futuristic angular design was unlike anything else on the market. Pre-orders for the truck soared, with hundreds of thousands of eager buyers putting down deposits. Now, those eager customers will have to wait even longer. The production halt raises many questions about Tesla's ability to deliver on its promises. The company has been known for its ambitious timelines and its ability to disrupt the status quo. However, this delay suggests that even Tesla is not immune to the challenges facing the automotive industry today. As the world waits to see what Tesla does next, one thing is certain: the road to bringing the Cybertruck to market has taken an unexpected turn. The coming months will be crucial for Tesla as it navigates this latest challenge and determines the fate of its highly anticipated electric pickup truck. Tesla's decision to halt Cybertruck production is likely due to a confluence of factors. One major factor is the ongoing global semiconductor shortage, which has wreaked havoc on the automotive industry, leading to production delays and plant shutdowns across the board. Another contributing factor is the sheer complexity of the Cybertruck's design and manufacturing process. The truck's unique exoskeleton and angular design require innovative manufacturing techniques and materials. Tesla has stated that it is building a brand new factory in Texas specifically to produce the Cybertruck, which adds another layer of complexity to the process. Moreover, Tesla is known for its relentless pursuit of innovation, often making significant changes to its vehicles even during the production process. It's possible that Tesla has encountered unforeseen technical challenges or design issues with the Cybertruck that require further refinement before mass production can begin. Ultimately, Tesla's decision to pause production is likely a strategic move to address the various challenges head-on and ensure that when the Cybertruck finally hits the market, it meets the high expectations set by both the company and consumers. The production halt of the Cybertruck presents both challenges and opportunities for Tesla's business. On the one hand, the delay could potentially harm Tesla's brand image and financial performance. Delays can frustrate customers, some of whom might cancel their pre-orders and opt for competitors' vehicles instead. Furthermore, the longer the delay, the more opportunity competitors have to catch up and release their own electric pickup trucks. This is a critical time for the EV market, and Tesla risks losing its first-mover advantage in the electric pickup truck segment. However, the delay also provides Tesla with a chance to refine its product and manufacturing processes. By addressing potential issues now, Tesla can work to ensure a smoother launch when production eventually resumes. This period also allows Tesla to focus on its existing product lineup, including the Model 3, Model Y, and Model S Plaid, all of which continue to see strong demand. How this situation ultimately plays out for Tesla remains to be seen. The company's ability to navigate these challenges and adapt to the evolving market will be crucial to its continued success. Section 4. Stakeholders in the slow lane. A bumpy ride. The Cybertruck production halt has implications not only for Tesla but also for a wide range of stakeholders. Customers who have eagerly awaited the arrival of their Cybertruck are left in limbo, uncertain when or even if they will receive their vehicles. This uncertainty can lead to frustration and a loss of trust in the company. Investors, too, are closely watching how this situation unfolds. Tesla's stock price is often influenced by news and speculation, and the production delay could lead to volatility in the company's valuation. Suppliers and partners who have invested in the Cybertruck's production are also impacted by the delay. This disruption can affect their own production schedules and revenue streams. Moreover, the delay could have implications for the wider EV market. The Cybertruck is a highly anticipated vehicle, and its success or failure could influence the adoption rate of electric pickup trucks in general. As Tesla works to resolve the issues surrounding the Cybertruck's production, it will need to effectively communicate with and manage the expectations of its stakeholders to maintain their confidence and support. Section 5. Competitors revving up, a chance to overtake. The Cybertruck's production halt presents a golden opportunity for Tesla's competitors in the burgeoning electric pickup truck market. Companies like Ford, Rivian, and General Motors, all of which have their own electric pickup trucks in development, are now in a position to capitalize on Tesla's setback. These competitors can now accelerate their own production timelines and bring their electric pickups to market sooner, potentially capturing market share from Tesla. They can also use this time to refine their products, learn from Tesla's challenges, and potentially avoid similar pitfalls. Furthermore, the delay allows competitors to strengthen their marketing and distribution networks, building anticipation and establishing a foothold in the market before the Cybertruck's eventual arrival. Tesla's stumble presents a significant opportunity for competitors to gain ground in the race to dominate the electric pickup truck market. How effectively they capitalize on this opportunity remains to be seen. Section 6. Tesla's next move. Charging forward or changing lanes. As Tesla navigates this unexpected detour, several potential paths lie ahead. The company could choose to push forward with its current plans, focusing on resolving the production challenges and getting the Cybertruck back on track as quickly as possible. This approach would demonstrate Tesla's commitment to the project and its determination to deliver on its promises. Alternatively, Tesla could take a step back and reassess its strategy. The company could decide to make significant changes to the Cybertruck's design or production process to address the underlying issues more effectively. This might involve simplifying certain aspects of the truck's design or partnering with additional suppliers to secure the necessary components. Another option for Tesla is to shift its focus to other product lines while it works behind the scenes on the Cybertruck. The company could prioritize the production of its existing models, which continue to enjoy strong demand, while simultaneously developing a revised plan for the Cybertruck's launch. Ultimately, Tesla's next move will depend on a variety of factors, including the severity of the production challenges, the competitive landscape, and the company's overall strategic goals. Section 7. The road ahead. What's next for Tesla and the Cybertruck? The halt in Cybertruck production marks a critical juncture for both Tesla and the future of electric pickup trucks. The coming months will be crucial for Tesla as it determines its next steps and navigates the challenges ahead. The success or failure of the Cybertruck has the potential to significantly impact the adoption rate of electric pickup trucks in general. If Tesla can overcome these obstacles and deliver a compelling product, it could further solidify its position as a leader in the EV market and accelerate the transition to sustainable transportation. However, if delays persist, or if the Cybertruck fails to live up to expectations, it could damage Tesla's reputation and give competitors a significant advantage in the electric pickup truck segment. The road ahead for Tesla and the Cybertruck is uncertain. However, one thing is certain: the decisions made by Tesla in the coming months will have far-reaching implications for the company, the automotive industry, and the future of electric vehicles.